So I did have to turn off the radio so that we don't hear any music here. And I do have those new light bulbs in there. Here, and then I want to see how this camera is working. Oh, let's put this here, the camera here. Let's see how it's working in the dark in the car here. Oh, did you hear that noise? That was the automatic door lock. Let's see if I can drive into dark parts here, dark road. Can you see my windshield wiper? It's working. Any? There's a car trying to get out. Now it's raining, of course, when I want to try out my camera. We're gonna have rain. Let's see how this goes. That's great here. Okay. Be careful that we stay in the speed limit here because the police is waiting here a lot. I'm going to take a left here. Bumpy and more rain. Holy moly. So we're going to run this with a rain sensor here. So it's going to wipe when there's enough water on the windshield. You can see how many raindrops we have on the windshield. Oh man. Here there's like a very, very bumpy spot. You have to stop for the stop sign. There it is. And hiding the bumps. Whoa. When I do my bright lights for 1 second, it's not much difference here. And then I have the fog lights here. It's also not much different, right? Okay. Approaching the light first, and then we're taking a left here on the bridge, and that's going to end my drive. My test here for the headlights now. We have here a lot of rain on the window and gas station and bright lights, so this would be like a regular city light situation. So that's all we do. And I hope that is good. My settings are 4K 20 frames per second, and then I do have rock rock steady on the stabilization. If you do more, like RS Plus for example, then you can't do the low light setting, the auto low light, right? And we are in the low light setting right now. Okie dokie. I hope I see you in the next video.